Welcome to Pisco USA. If you're a new visitor, thanks for stopping by. If you're returning, welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, we're demonstrating the Soft Touch Vacuum Cup, designed for handling fragile, high-value electronics like smartphones. With an anti-slip grip and low surface impact, it ensures safe, secure movement during manufacturing and assembly. Pisco's Soft Touch cups minimize damage risk while maintaining a reliable hold. Used in electronics, glass, and optics manufacturing, they offer precision and reliability. This demo takes place at our Pisco USA Vacuum Lab in Elk Grove Village, Illinois. Need help finding the perfect vacuum setup? Our free testing service is available. Click the link to learn more. Pisco's vacuum cups ensure gentle yet secure handling. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next demo.